5% lang ang required down payment, ready for occupancy na at may 100 up to 300,000 discount ka pa. Plus, single attached house and lot na to na may malaking lote at exclusive din ang subdivision. Yan nga din ba ang hanap mo? Don't skip this video dahil sure ako ito na ang unit na para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo this year 2025. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido. For today, samahan niyo ko for another tripping day here at Amayascapes, General Trias, Cavite. Yes, tama ang narinig mo, low down payment tayo at may promo pa kaya wag mo nang palagpasin to. Tara, samahan mo ko at silipin natin kung gaano kaganda sa single home 60 here at Amaya. For this unit, alam mo bang may provision ka for 1 to 2 carport at ang laki ng space mo na pwede mong i-renovate upon turnover kasi ang minimum lot area natin is 100 square meters at kadalasan nga ang na-open na unit is around 110 up to 175 square meters. May corner lot at end lot unit na pwede mong pagpilian sa mga reopen. And of course, upon entering, this gonna be your living, dining, kitchen space na fully customizable kasi naman upon turnover, basic finish ang deliverable natin. Which of course, gives you the freedom na mako-customize mo ang interior ng property na i-avail mo. Meron ka na nga ditong provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, service area na pwedeng-pwede mong i-expand upon turnover ng unit sa'yo for kitchen renovation and expansion. And since malaki nga ang lote mo, ang dami mong pwedeng magawang layout for this unit. And take note ha, napakababa lang ng reopen price natin. Considering na malaki na ang lote na kasama sa package. This is available through bank financing and price starts at 4.8 to 4.9 million pesos only. May 100 to 110 square meters ka na lot area. And the best part nga sa mga reopen unit natin, most of it are 5% lang ang required DP, 6 months supi lang, at malilipatan mo ba sa approve ka na ng bangko at syempre meron ka pang 100 up to 300,000 discount. Eto na ba ang future bahay mo? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number to book a free and exclusive house viewing. See you soon at paalam!